Here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel. Today is Wednesday, October 22nd, 2025. We got 9 days to our first ever trunk or treat. We got 10 days to our first ever appreciation day, is what we call it. I really don't know what other to call it, but hope you both do good. We still got a lot of people that's talking about coming on the 9th. I'm still looking for a sign. I haven't found a sign to go out there yet to advertise it, but like I said, we're going to build on this and we're going to do it and build on, make it better for next year. So we'll see how it goes. On today's agenda, I didn't put it up here, but I think I'm going to walk out there and do some video on the truck we just bought. Some things I do like about it, some things I don't, but I'll show it to you. But anyway, do the 6 p.m. live, and then after the live, put some type of video together. I was scrolling through some old videos last night, old footage, and I come across the, not trying to talk junk about nobody's vehicle or nothing like that, but that car that was out there spinning around, it was it had the blower on it, had a beautiful sound of whistling, and he was doing a lot of noise and sounding good, but it wasn't making a lot of smoke. And then I clicked on that one. Matter of fact, I think that by the style of driving, I'm about sure that was Justin driving, and that was Randy in the passenger seat, because Justin drives a little faster out there on the track than we do. But just the difference in the smoke, I just thought that was wild. That's the reason I put that on there. I thought it was pretty wild that a lot of people talk junk about our Z28 Camaros because they're older version. They don't have the horsepower, and the other ones have nicer cars and more horsepower, and they can outrun ours and all this, you know. But for what we've done with that car, Fireball, Randy's too, but for what we've done, as much as we beat on it, that car owes us nothing. I've went out there and run it, and Randy's run it, Justin's run it. We went out there and just went through, I think we went through 8 sets of tires one night. I think it was, like I said, it was, I think it was 16 tires total, I think. Now, I may be wrong about that, but I know now it wasn't all new. It was stuff we were buying off the internet that had some tread left on it, but they were decent tread when we started. But, anyway, we just out there, as hard as we beat on that car, it owes us nothing. We were just out there having a good time. And this truck may end up doing the same thing if we don't, it may be too far gone to try to put a motor in it and make it reliable up and down the road, because I just talked to the guy, and he said it was an 84 C10 van that motor come out of. So it's starting to kind of make sense to me. And I thought he said it was a $700 Ford transmission, but he said it was a 350 turbo. So it's not exactly what I thought, but it's still body styles, good body style. We can still have fun with it, or if I can part it out and make my money back and still make some, so it's all right. But anyway, that's what we got going on today. Remember, you got 1,440 minutes in every day. The goal is to be happy, and while you're at it trying to be happy, make sure you be safe. If you're not safe and something happens, you can't be too happy about it, because you're going to end up in a world of pain or worse. So y'all be happy, be safe, and enjoy your life, and just make yourself happy. And remember, 1,000-mile journey starts with your first step. You can't get finished till you get started. Take that first step. Get out there and get on your projects and enjoy yourself. Y'all have a good day, good night whenever you're watching this, and remember, keep it silly. Thank you. All right, everybody, I'm gonna walk up here and do a little walk around on the truck that we just purchased. Really don't know what we're gonna do with it. I really didn't need it, but and it's not, like I said, it's not that great of a truck, but it'll be all right. But let me turn you around here. All right, it's supposed to be a 94 GMC. I can tell the grill, he's added something in it to hold it, but and it looks like they painted it with a brush. This ain't no Metal Art Customs paint, but front tires pretty decent. They good tires, but got old step tread on it. I mean, step on it. Yeah, dash a little cracked up. You can see where the fire was. But I guess, you know, it could be worse, but no more than I got in it. Let's see. That door shuts and opens good, so that's a plus. You take that old nasty thing off of it. Somebody might want that for $5, $10. But these are just about brand new. That's some deep tread right there. But the old bed don't look bad inside, so if I didn't do nothing else but part it out for the bed, it would got a hitch on it. Dual exhaust too. But like I said, both back tires are just about brand new. But yeah, see, it don't drop down. So I don't know. It looks like that might need to be some work done on it, but looks like they've done some mess under here. I don't really like that. But it might be it wouldn't be too bad to get that fixed, but it is bucket seats. It might be an old burnout truck. I don't know. Let's look up here. Oop, I probably should have popped the hood. Let's see, where's the old hit? Here it is. When I pulled up, he was taking the battery out. I'm not one like that, you know. Now, if I'm gonna go trade one in or something, I may take everything in the world out of it. But I kind of bought it last night with a battery in it, so thought that was kind of crappy. But again, I wasn't gonna argue with him. Let's turn around here. He said this motor was out of a '84 C10 van. He said it was on fire under the carburetor. So I mean, like I said, with all this mess, I can see. I don't quite see where the hose is not. I do see something that broke. Don't really see where it would go, but oh, I see what it is. The radiator exploded. Look at there. It broke the whole side of the radiator off. So he said it started backfiring, so but he's the one that said it was blowed up. He caught on fire and he fire extinguisher. Oh, it did melt that. Ah, that's not good. I didn't see that, but oh well. We'll see. Anyway, it'll be all right. If we don't do nothing but do a burnout truck in it. I've got a grill. I might need to bring that grill from the house and see if it, which that ain't bad, just that. And anyway, well, he did have a battery cutoff on it. That was a plus with all, good Lord. Look at all. That's one of the coolest things I think Chevrolet, which hasn't messed up, but I thought that was cool. They always put them on it so it would come out and you could work on the forge for the people when you were out and about. I did think that was cool. But anyway.
This is GMC, by the way.
What did I say? I said
You said Chevrolet.
Oh, well. I did tell him again this is GMC, but anyway. But whatever. Anyway, that's what we got going on here. And we'll mess with it and do something with it. It ain't too bad for no more than I give for it. I do have another front bumper and a spoiler. I don't know. We'll see what we're gonna do. Y'all hang tight and see exactly what we do with the old truck. Need to hook to it and get it out of the way, but it'll be all right until the weekend. right.